हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स एकेडमी बाय राहुल शर्मा. दिस इज़ ऑफिशियली द थर्ड वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन एलपीपी. आई होप फर्स्ट टू वीडियोस आपने अच्छे से देखे होंगे, अच्छे से समझे होंगे, बिकॉज एजुकेशनल वीडियोस को केवल देखना ही नहीं, उन्हें समझना भी पड़ता है. सो आई होप you got some clarity about formulation of LPP. So today वापस मैं एक केस आपके सामने लेकर आया हूँ, उस केस को डिस्कस करेंगे. और अभी हम अगेन वी आर ओनली लिमिटेड टिल दी फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ LPP. LPP की फॉर्मुलेशन पे ही हम बात करेंगे. हो सकता है आने वाला नेक्स्ट वीडियो भी इसी पे बेस्ड हो. सो वी should have a sufficient practice on formulation of LPP. Once we are done with this, उसके बाद में स्पीड पकड़ लेंगे सॉल्व करने में, वो टाइम नहीं लेगा, वो प्रैक्टिस मांगेगा, प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, नॉट एन इशू. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो देयर इज अ कंपनी विच प्रोड्यूसेस ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट एंड कलर टेलीविजन पिक्चर ट्यूब्स. ऑलराइट, सो देयर इज अ कंपनी विच प्रोड्यूसेस ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट एंड कलर टेलीविजन पिक्चर ट्यूब्स. सो आई विल राइट इट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट एंड कलर. Wait, let me change the marker first. So black and white and color picture tubes manufacture करती है. Okay. Then the company just expanded into full scale production and marketing of both the tubes. All right. The company has built up a new plant that can operate 48 hours per week. So company ने एक नया plant बनाया है which can operate 48 hours per week. इसको मैं अभी एक बार साइड में लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है. आई होप ये विजिबल होगा आपको. तो मार्कर थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम कर रहा था, मैं इसको वापस लिख देता हूँ. ब्लैक एंड वाइट एंड color picture tube, black and white picture tube. Let's do it precisely. All right. So 48 hours it can operate per week. That is for sure. That entire data will be for per week only. Okay. Production of black and white picture tubes will require 2 hours, and production of color tube will require 3 hours. Means 1 unit of black and white picture tube will require 2 hours of processing in this plant, and 1 unit of black and white color tube will require 3 hours in this. So I'll write it like there is a plant and plant hours हम इसको लिख सकते हैं. So plant hours की बात करें तो again मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ. Production of black and white picture tubes will require 2 hours. So 2 hours and production of color tube will require 3 hours. Okay. Each black and white picture tube will contribute rupees 40. Okay, directly it is talking about profit. So let us write, जैसे जैसे information आती जा रही है हम लिखते जाते हैं. Contribute 40 rupees. Each unit of black and white picture tube will contribute rupees 40. So the profit from this is 40 rupees per unit. And each color tube will contribute rupees 80. All right, so rupees 80 per unit. Okay. Towards profit, the marketing department has determined that a maximum of 15 black and white. Okay, so there is a research from marketing department और उसने confirm किया है that a maximum of 15 black and white and 10 color picture tubes can be sold. So can be sold means we will write it as maximum demand. So maximum demand is 15 for black and white and 10 for these color tube. This is a forecast. ये forecast है marketing department का कि इस week में 15 units black and white and 10 units for color picture tube can be sold in this week or each week. Yeah, it is mentioned each week. Formulate above as a LPP to determine optimal product mix. Okay. सो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने ले ली. थोड़ा अलग क्वेश्चन है, अच्छा है, मज़ा आएगा सॉल्व करने में. So there is a company which produces two different black and white and color picture tubes, two types of picture tubes they produce. There is a plant, they have newly opened up with a plant which can operate for 48 hours. That means this 48 hours is the maximum capacity or the availability is this 48 hours. Alright, now got it. So when we are producing in that plant, 1 unit of black and white picture tube can be produced in 2 hours and 1 unit of color picture tube can be produced in 3 hours. Profit contributions are these 40 rupees and 80 rupees per unit, and maximum demand is this. This is the new thing. So let's start. So first of all, we'll go with the objective function. So again, what is the production? I mean the objective is again maximization of profit. So maximization of profit. So let us assume that black and white picture tubes or X1 units of black and white picture tubes are being produced and X2 units of color picture tubes are being produced. So the profit equation will be what? 40x1 plus 80x2. 1 unit will contribute 40 rupees, that means x1 units will contribute 40x1. 1 unit contributing 80 rupees, so that means it will contribute 80x2. So the total profit will be this plus this, so this. Now this profit is subject to certain constraints, so let us talk about those. First constraint is this plant hours. So for this plant we have if 2 hours are being consumed for 1 unit production of 1 unit, if we are producing x1, that means it will be 2x1. If 3 hours are being used for 1 unit of color, if we are producing x2, it will be 3x2. So total consumption will be this plus this. So that means for plant it is 2x1 plus 3x1. These are the total number of hours which are being consumed. ये total number of hours हैं. Total कितना consumption हो गया अगर x1 unit black and white की और x2 unit color picture tube की हम produce कर रहे हैं, and this total should be at max 48. 48 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता, ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता इसका मतलब less than or equal to 48. Very good. Now there is a demand constraint. Now these demand constraints are something like we need to focus. Please listen carefully. Marketing department ने ये confirm किया है that black and white picture tube can be sold 15 units and 10 units of color picture tube can be sold. That means the maximum production should be 15 for black and white and 10 for color. And how much we are producing? We are producing X1. So this X1 should be less than or equal to 15. मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट ने जो रिसर्च करी, जो फोरकास्टिंग करी, उसमें उसने क्लियरली मेंशन किया दैट मैक्सिमम डिमांड फॉर ब्लैक एंड वाइट इज 15, maximum demand for color is 10. That means if we produce more than 15 units of black and white and more than 10 units of color picture tubes, there are chances कि stock पड़ा रहे, sold out ना हो. So that means X1 should be less than or equal to 15 and X2 should be less than or equal to 10. So these are the two demand constraints differently. Please don't do it like X1 plus X2 less than or equal to 25. No. We have separate limitation for X1, we have separate limitation for X2, rather separate limitation for black and white and separate limitation for this. That means number of units जो मैं produce कर रहा हूँ black and white की, वो 15 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, इसका मतलब कम या equal चलेगा. इसी तरह से color picture tube के केस में if it is X2 it should be less than or equal to 10, right? And that's it. So summarize वे में लिख देते हैं इसको. So objective function is max z is equal to 40x1 plus 80x2 subject to constraints. First is 2x1 plus 3x2 less than or equal to 48. Second is x1 less than or equal to 15. Third, x2 less than or equal to 10. And don't forget to add x1 comma x2 greater or equal to 0. So this is actually the LPP linear programming we have with us to solve how to solve, we have not started it yet, but I have given you another case to practice, to make it more clear in your mind. In the next video we'll again have some case, or we'll start solving it. Let's see if I find that yes, we have not done anything related to greater or equal to. So yeah, what I mean, यहाँ पे अभी तक हमने जितने भी questions किए हैं वो less than or equal to किए हैं, तो आपके mind में ये आ रहा होगा सर greater equal to भी तो use होता होगा. बिल्कुल होता है और हम करेंगे. And so in the next video we'll be coming up with some question, with some case which will be using the other inequalities also, right? So thank you so much for giving your time. Keep sharing your feedback, as I always say, because your feedback matters a lot to us, whether it is negative or positive. Both the way, if it is positive, it gives us motivation. If it is negative, it gives us room for improvement. So both the things are welcome. Thank you so much. All the best.